This is the second of my little how-to videos on creating routes for you guys. This is using Garmin rather than Strava, which is my preference. If you come back onto your Garmin page, you'll see an option there for courses. You may have to turn that on if you can't see it. If you click the little plus on there, it takes you to a screen where you can say, I want to create a new running route. I'm going to use custom trips, so I can say exactly where I want to go. Round trip, we'll try and create a route out and back in one go. So it's a little bit more fun to use, but you can have a go on that one. Just going to click continue on there. Now this does automatically take me to America, where obviously we aren't. So you can zoom out on that page and we can head back over to Europe, and then we can zoom in on the UK and back into Wales. If we get a bit closer, we can see where we are, Pontyclun. So I'm just going to zoom back into the rugby club and set a little route up from there. So to start off, I'm going to click on the front of the rugby club. You can see it gives me start position. Now I've got popularity turned on over there, but I can do follow roads, and I will be using freehand in a second just to show you what that does. But if I just start from where I've started, I can then follow the route very similarly like I've done in Strava. Follow the route through. Again, you can leave long chunks, but this does the same as Strava would. It follows the route through, and we can quickly come around up to the top. If you leave the gaps too big, it does mess it up sometimes, but you can see this one's behaves a bit better than Strava does. Okay, as I come through down the river path back to NSC, if I come back through here and I try to go straight back to Pontyclun, you see it takes me around the back, which I didn't want to go. So if I just undo that one, I come down as far as I can. Again, it's done it again, so I'm going to undo it so I can come down to there. Because it's not going to let me go through, I'm just going to jump onto freehand and just click the route I wanted to follow until I get back onto a road, back onto popularity, and now I can go back to following the road. I'm going to come down to the crossing, which is down here somewhere, and I'm going to head back to the rugby club. You see I can go freehand again just to bring that finish back into the rugby club. So you see it's quite easy to do and follow through. If you just save that course, it's at the moment it's private, I'm just going to make it public. So that means I can share the link to this course once it's created it, and then save the course. Once that's saved, it gives me the URL which we can share there, or you can send it to device and you can do lots of stuff with it there, put it to your watch, you can do all sorts. So there's the second of my little how-tos.